Get started with Android development, installing Android Studio. Ready to dive into the world of Android app development? Let's make it easy to get Android Studio up and running. Visit the official website. Start by heading over to the official Android Studio download page at developer.android.com/studio. Choose your operating system. Next, select the right version for your operating system. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS. Accept terms and download. Don't forget to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the Download Android Studio button to start the download. Install Android Studio. Once the installer is downloaded, follow these steps. For Windows, run the .exe file and let the setup wizard guide you. For macOS, open the .dmg file and simply drag Android Studio into your Applications folder. For Linux, extract the .zip file and launch it from the terminal. Complete the setup wizard. Fire up Android Studio and follow the setup wizard to install the Android SDK, emulator, and all the necessary components. Pro tips. Make sure you've got at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth sailing. Enable virtualization in your BIOS or UEFI for faster emulator speeds. If Java JDK isn't included in your setup, be sure to install it. That's it. You're all set to build and run your very own Android apps with Android Studio. Start your Android development journey today.